Don't be a greedy landlord. Sayang ang kita mo. Gusto mong kumita sa rental property mo? Siyempre. Pero kung masyado kang greedy, baka lalong matagal bago may magka-rent ng property mo. Una, flexible payment terms is equal to faster occupancy. Yung iba, gusto nila ng 2 months deposit, 2 months advance ang hinihingi. Pero yung unit parang kulungan ng manok. Kung okay naman sa'yo, bakit hindi gawing 1 month deposit and 1 month advance? Mas mabilis mo pang marerentahan. Tandaan, a good paying tenant is better than a high rent na laging bakante. Second, be smart with the rent increase. May ibang landlord, konting galaw ng presyo ng tubig, taas agad ng rental. Paano kung consistent naman magbayad si tenant at maayos gumamit ng unit? Hindi mo naman kailangan taasan ang rent agad-agad. Think like a Chinese businessman. Hindi kailangan malaki agad, basta may steady at long-term kita. Third, treat your property like you would live in it. Bago mo iset ang presyo, tanungin mo ang sarili mo, kung ako ang titira dito, sulit ba? Clean, well-maintained at functional na unit is equivalent to quality tenants. Fourth, customer service mindset is equals to more tenants. Being a landlord is not just about ownership, it's about service. Kapag may sira, ayusin agad. Pag may concern, i-address agad. Kung ramdam ng tenant na valued sila, mas tatagal sila at mas steady pa ang kita mo. The final thoughts here are, ang rental business hindi lang tungkol sa pag-collect ng pera. It's about building long-term relationship and securing a steady income. So, be fair, be reasonable, and your unit will never be vacant forever.